because only meto this video kawaho meto makana share button kito salumozia. I smell something fishy. Na this Meruna lost choosing. In as much as na man look for somebody who will confidence in that different on your ministry worldwide. He's a man I respect so much. Then when so much confidence in him. But I smell something fishy. I smell rat. Na ifa melu na lost choosing about this man Jonathan. I smell something fishy. Did you people notice that not that same shirt that man who that day Ogalo Zion Koyikwa the same day Ogalo choosing? Una follow not the same dressing that man who Koyikwa that same day. Now from that Sunday eju emechi ifa till today onwekwana another Sunday galo if not that same Sunday ko siri or less is go no siri na Zion immediately poor governor no shoes in Ozubo or less no siri from that place. What it means is that no siri na Zion ministry poor governor that place immediately. Now when somebody that different na comment section na Lazarus more castle na that man na abebumbo on ego. But then that video follow na Zion manonya weben no we problem during the time of Father Mbaka. In a time like this onye chi ikwu onya explain no things very very carefully that it has to go above propaganda you put later, and the week we jump over a lot of controversy outside it. For example, I watched that video. I did not hear something welu ka Pastor Azos more kasi we clarify if any ne. You what na? Si we clarify if any ne go we go say Nande Zion ministry akwo that man ugwo ka that man we be play that act. E gotta go. Na akwo you ugwo. I am seeing a kind of package go sele na ife ahụ o jeme na Zion ministry no nya ka obia ziri na church ye nyanwa we arrest ya ye amon na na-ekwu okwu odoka ya sị na ndị mmadụ aya ghọtachi ife na-ekwu. E gotta go. Odoka mana anu onu iso ka ogono onu Jacob mana odoka aka iso ka nna afụ na ife amelu. You got that? Because he was talking about something like onyo ulu ojene enye fake testimony ebe onwe ife na eme. Did you do it? Yes. Don't do it again. There was no clarity n'ife kwuru, and that is why mischief makers we pick on it. Now I am seeing a case whereby why no onye nke ni afọ he why na nyanwa for ye. I'm no na agota. Two things here. Why no onye nke ni afọ he or urusi onye nke afọ ye. And no onye agaro na wa a neighbor's church around here. We got something like this which is not true. I always want people some matters no ya ado controversial. Clear it. Bagali ukwa ho kirikiri clear the air beyond every reasonable doubt. Because mana that same church you're galone who a very highly controversial church, and you know that people are going to pick on it. That is number one. Then number two, why would you will pararan mock news? That man no. Why would you will pararan mock news when you easy breaking out that news? And I'm for something do suspicious, unless it's going on my thought and they deceive him. He got to go. If not, I am hearing the voice of Jacob, but I am seeing the hand of Esau. Nifeni na melu. He got to go. Oh, if na fo. I'm on no move wonye. I got to try if na wofuma. Everything to me on a second thought, I see something fishy. I see something fishy. These churches do together, and it's possible that anything can be happening. The same day or the same period, this thing happened here. He was caught the other place. Could it be a plan? Could it be a plan? Could it be a script? Edegolede Bezie na collide that script. Could it be a coincidence? No Jehana na Zion ministry. Immediately Ojecha na Zion ministry. Jehana nke Lazarus Moka ehudeye. Could it be? Or if that should be the case, then our own brother Pastor Lazarus Moka aka clarify here beyond this propaganda ndị mmadụ na-ebugharị or this controversy people na-erase. Ya gwa ndị mmadụ ọfụma ka ndị mmadụ ghọta ife ị na-ekwu. Ịghọtago? This is just my own observation. I just hope that this is not a well-written script by somebody somewhere, because I have to tell you the honest truth. Amohozim ka ndị na-agba ebuka obi mgba ha. Honestly, everybody can be a suspect the way things are unfolding. I think that a lot of people, it's possible that a lot of people, yeah, that affair can a threat. And I'm not saying that for sure. I'm only saying. I am only saying, but I'm not saying that for sure. It happens so fast. Obiebo ozugbo luebe ni ejide ya ozugbo. Go where confirm one if ojekwu ebe ni wase na onye afu he, but na onye afu siri at the moment obiaro. I think with time we know if there is a point actually prove with this thing menu. No, a script when something do fishy, or na the thing just me like that. Because I'm on kamadu yes no katakwado se no na bagari je na fake testimony with things. Can the madu were enye ego na sig na enye sympathy. Let's know school onye foda na ari ebe o je new the testimony before. Yes. Let's know school onye foda na ari ebe o je new the testimony before. Which I doubt. But when somebody clarify yam, yes, and I am not saying for the fact that I am only telling you that I am having a doubt. In as much as now that I heard from a man I have confidence in so much and I trust so much that different on your ministry, but that my antenna is still trying to tell me that no, when something do fishy that went down. I am not sure, but I am just saying. Anything can happen. Anything can happen. Just like Etumbaka's women God, highly controversial. He did not come out straight to say, look, that is what I have seen again. That is what I have seen again. You could have called his name, knowing that if in a name and deceive. You could have called his name. He went to our brother Ebuka. He went there and did this, did that. No need to talking about our neighbors. He went to our neighbors and he went there and gave a testimony. But this, I am seeing that as something. But that is my thought anyway, and I am not saying that for a sure. I am for sure. I am just thinking loud. That's all.